sponsored by Xfinity. In today's world, access to quality internet is a necessity. Joining us is tech life expert Stephanie Humphrey, who is teaming up with Xfinity to share more about new affordable internet and mobile options. Good morning, Stephanie.
Good morning, Ronnie. How's it going?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm great.
Thank you for joining us this morning on Hometown Living.
Happy to be here.
So why is the internet now a necessity?
Well, everything is connected and online these days, right? Whether we're talking about education, job searches, healthcare, or just shopping. And some recent changes might make this really essential part of life even harder to afford, because more than 23 million Americans might be affected if the Affordable Connectivity Program ends. And this could mean that the single mom on a budget, or a senior citizen on a fixed income, or a student on a limited funds might get left behind. So I want to talk about a new product line of services from Comcast called NOW that can fit in a lot of different budgets, but also offers ultimate reliability backed by the Xfinity network.
So talk to us about, the new affordable home internet and, what are the details of this plan?
Right. So you might have heard about ACP. So that's the Affordable Connectivity Program. That's a federal program that was offering a credit of up to $30 a month on internet. But as of today, that is no longer guaranteed. And now internet could be the best option for your family to stay connected with simple and affordable internet and mobile plans that don't break the bank. And here's how they break down. You're going to sign up for what you want, and that is it. What you see at the store or on the website is what you pay for, and now is as low as $30 a month with no contracts or no pricing that's going to expire later on. You get total flexibility, no hiccups. These plans are backed by the super reliable Xfinity network, so you and your family are going to be safe to browse 24/7 and get 24/7 support. So you're not worrying about your internet slowing down because there's a storm going on outside, or you lose the signal because the trees in your backyard are blocking it. So really great program.
And Stephanie, where can we go for more information?
Well, for more info, just head to xfinity.com/now.
Thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much for having me. Take care.
For more information about Xfinity Internet and finding the best choice that's best for you, check out your screen. You can visit their website at xfinity.com/overview, or you can visit them on Facebook.